Product spotlight, small tech case. Check this out. This is in the Scattered Flowers. I love this print. It's kind of like a blend of white and off-white with some coral peachy tones. And look at this. This is gonna be great for travel. Hope I'm not too close. It has got, let me just get this. This has got a pocket here. It's got elastic, oops. It's got elastic here, 2 spots, more elastic here with a pocket and then elastic up top. So this is gonna be great for your cords, your chargers, store them in here, travel with them in here. It's gonna be perfect for that. But I'm gonna use this for my cosmetics. There's many times we travel. Caitlin has like a ton of stuff when we go to her dance comps. So I'm gonna use this when I travel. Wish me luck. I bought some of those small, round, little clear bottles, and I'm gonna fill those with what I'm already using and put them in here, and go from something that's like this and that thick to this. So I'll keep you posted and let you know how that works, but I have high hopes. I'm gonna put those small clear bottles in this pocket, and then I'm gonna put some pencils, mascara, because I've got some travel size, and I'm gonna put those in here, some cotton balls, you know, your makeup wipes, stuff like that in here, and this is going to be everything I need. My goal for 2024 is to minimize and organize, and I'm hoping this is gonna work. I think it's gonna work great. And Sean is gonna be so proud of me. He's gonna be like, oh, that's all you're taking? So check it out online. This is the Small Tech Organizer in the Scattered Flowers. And I hope you're excited to get this and use it as much as I am.